Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salsa casera. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a small bunch of fresh cilantro, and 1 or 2 chilies for heat. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will also be key to balancing all these wonderful flavors. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. For a richer flavor, you can roast your tomatoes and chilies until slightly charred. Alternatively, you can boil them until softened. Finely dice your onion and garlic. Remember to chop your fresh cilantro right before you're ready to mix everything, ensuring its vibrant flavor shines through in your delicious salsa. It's time to bring it all together. Start by blending your roasted or boiled tomatoes, chilies, and garlic. Pulse the mixture a few times to achieve your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others smoother. Then, gently fold in your fresh diced onion and chopped cilantro. Finally, season generously with salt and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice to taste. Your homemade salsa is almost ready. For the best flavor, let it rest for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful ingredients to meld. Serve your fresh salsa with crispy tortilla chips, or use it to elevate your favorite tacos, eggs, or grilled meats. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator and enjoy within 5 to 7 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.